You are searching.
Everyone, please check your audio and video settings, please, everyone. Yeah, yesterday we got, instead of using @request mapping annotation, where we need to specify request mode, get post kind of thing, we can use triplex mapping annotations. What are those? @get mapping. Okay, guys. Post mapping, put mapping, delete mapping, patch mapping. Okay. Parsuram, are you out of your brain? Today we are starting Spring Boot MVC. Then what we heard these many days, my dear? Oh, bapre. Okay, guys. Right, guys. This is what we discussed. Then what is next one? What happens if two handler methods of a controller class having same request path and same request mode? Same request path and same request mode. You will get illegal state exception. What, guys? Illegal state exception. Check it out. Show report. Show report one report. Both are having get mapping. Both are having get mapping. Understanding my statement? You will get. Okay. Right, boss. Both are throwing what? Illegal state exception. Illegal state exception. So let's feel that. So this is our workspace, guys. This one. It's not ambiguity error. It's exception. Completely exception. Come to this, guys. Season operation. Get mapping report. Get mapping report. Get mapping report. Here report one. Here report two. Got it, guys? Okay. Right click, guys. Run on. Run on server. This Tomcat 9. Next. Okay. Nice, boss. Bahadur Singh, if you don't declare any request in handler mapping, if you take request without handler mapping, by default slash will be there now, boss. Yeah, illegal state exception, ambiguous mapping, cannot map, season control operation method, report one, report two, having same request path. Report one, report two, same request method. Okay. Super, guys. Next, in Spring MVC or Spring Boot MVC, maximum two methods can have same request path, same request path. One method with the get mode, another method with post mode. Refer above example. Are you understanding my statement, guys? Come on. Okay, guys. Okay, Om Prakash, in Spring Boot MVC, Spring MVC are there to develop web applications, right? Yes. And from where we give request to those applications? Browser. Do you think browser can give patch mode request, put mode request? Huh? No, na. Then what's the use of giving that? In Spring REST, we can give different modes of request using Postman tool. But in Spring MVC, Spring Boot MVC, we develop just web application. And they take request from browser. And browser at max can give how many modes of request? Two modes of request. Get and post. Understanding my statement? Okay. Refer above example. When I say above example, this example, my dear. What is that? F. Above example, F. Refer above example given in F. Given in F point. Given in F point. Okay. That's what I'm saying. Keep your half knowledge in your mind and hand over your brain. Okay. Listen. Spring MVC, Spring Boot MVC applications are web applications. What guys? Spring MVC, Spring Boot MVC applications are web applications. Applications are okay, guys. This is E point, F. Web application. So, browser can give only get comma post mode request. Browser can give only get comma post mode request. Understanding my statement? Okay, guys. Spring REST. Spring Boot REST applications are RESTful applications, nothing but distributed applications. So the client applications can give what is this? Get, post, put, patch, get, post, put, patch. Okay, put to patch. Next one, what is there? Delete mode request. Delete mode request. I hope you convinced guys. Yeah, right. In Spring MVC or Spring Boot MVC, maximum two methods of a controller class can be there without request path. Can be there without request path. Array, when no request path is given, what is the default request path of any handler method? Slash. Okay, slash with get mode can be there. Slash with post mode can be there. Come on. Slash with get mode can be there. Slash with post mode can be there. Yeah, that's the reason. Okay, guys. At the rate get mapping mapped with the default request path slash with the get mode. At the rate post mapping mapped with the default request path slash with the post mode. So if you give request without any request path in the URL having get mode, this method will execute. If you give request without without any request path in the URL having post mode, this method will execute. This method will execute. Understanding my statement? See, dot slash go to home page. Dot slash This also goes to home page. Are you understanding my statement, guys? Nazir Sheikh, please don't show Spring Rest knowledge in what Spring MVC Ra Babu. Please, Ra Naina. Please, I request everyone. You have half knowledge and don't try to show your half knowledge in the chat box. What statement you have given, that is with respect to Spring Rest. Okay. Please, guys. You have not learned completely either Spring MVC or Spring Rest. That's why you are mixing that with this with that. Please. Okay, guys. Right now, I'm explaining Spring Boot MVC. I want everyone stick to web application development. Don't show your half knowledge of RESTful web services, Spring REST over here. Time is there to get into RESTful web services. Don't mix both. Don't confuse yourself and don't irritate me by bringing those topics. Okay. That's what I am saying. Hand over your brain, assuming I don't know anything in Spring MVC and Spring REST. Then I will put correct knowledge in your brain in a correct order. Every day I am giving this statement. But right, guys. Now let's see. Okay, look at the application. Yeah, here show home. Welcome. What I do is show home one here get mapping. Okay, here is my post mapping. Here is my post mapping. Cool, guys. Yeah, this is post mode request with slash. Sorry, get mode request with slash URL. This is post mode request for slash URL pattern. Okay, but we have to give that request now. So once you go to display page, right now what we are taking here, home hyperlink is kept in display page if I am not wrong. Here is my display page. Yeah, in this one, home hyperlink is there. Similarly, I want to have a post mode request. Form, action, dot slash. When request path is slash, we have to use dot slash while giving request. Method is equal to post. Method is equal to post. Tell me here. Input type is equal to submit. Value is equal to send request. Value is equal to send request. Understanding my statement, guys? Right. Run on server, guys. Tomcat 9, guys. Say next, say finish. Oh, I think I have to sort out previous problem now, boss. Let me sort out previous problem. Let me sort out previous problem. Because both are having same thing. Okay. Solve it. Okay, guys. Stop that. Right click. Run on server. Tomcat 9. Finish. Tomcat 9 finish. Click on hyperlink. Oh, it's going to display underscore report.jsp. Why? Why it is going to display underscore report.jsp? Okay, request mapping season. Such a 1 minute. I got it. I got the problem here. Click on find season. That's fine. Click on find season. Wrong hyperlink is selected was rainy season. This home sending get more request. Got it? Find season. Send request. This is also sending post mode request. Did you notice it? Get mode request with /1. Okay. Find season. Post mode request for / request path. / request path handler method. See guys, for one thing, get mode method is executing. For other thing, post mode method is executing. Clear guys, everything is clearly specified here. Next, what happens if two handler methods of two different controller classes are having same request path? This is very important. I have two controller classes. Unfortunately, they have same request path. Unfortunately, they have same request path. What happened? Again, illegal state exception will come or not? Indirectly, two handler methods are having same request path, right? Indirectly, two handler methods are having same request path. What do you say, guys? Indirectly, two methods are having same request path. What do you say, guys? So maybe classes are different, Babu. Okay, get all test data. Illegal state exception has come or not? Okay, boss. And then how to solve this problem? How to solve this problem? This is definitely a problem, no doubt in that. How to solve this problem? You can give global path at controller class level. You can give global path at controller class level. See, wish message operations controller, wish operation global path, test operations global path. Now what happened? Wish operations /all, this will execute. Test operation /all, this will execute. So we are able to differentiate based on the global path or not. We are able to differentiate based on the global path or not. I want reply, my dear. I want reply. First, let me demonstrate the problem first. I will demonstrate the problem. Okay, guys. Public string show all. Show all. Okay, I don't go for return. Return display. Return display. Okay, guys. Tell me here. Get mapping. Get mapping /all. Get mapping /all. Stop this. First stop this. Get mapping /all. Copy this, guys. Okay. Now I am taking one more controller class. Let me take one more controller class. Okay. Test operations controller. Some name, Rama. Test operations controller. How to make this one as a controller? Controllers. Okay. Next. Public string show test data. There is something, Rama. Show test data. Get mapping. Okay, all. Here also all. Sys trace. Next, return. Tell me what is the next one? Return display. Logical. Okay, now listen. This is mapped with all. Okay, even this is also mapped with all. Which one, guys? This is also mapped with all. So what happens, guys? If I try to give request using all, what happened? Ambiguity problem comes or not. So it will lead to what? Illegal state exception. That will definitely lead to what? Illegal state exception. Yes, what is the problem? Illegal state exception, ambiguous. Get all, get all, show all is also mapped with the other one, same thing. Is also mapped with other one, same. Understanding my statement, guys? See, guys. Test data get all and also show all also having them. So how to solve this problem, my dear? Okay, try to give global path. Now remaining everything also should be controlled through global path only. That's one headache is there now. Yeah, now tell me here. At the rate, here no get mapping, guys. Request mapping slash seasons, right, boss? Slash seasons. Here, at the rate request mapping slash test. Okay, I'll run the application. I will run the application. This time you won't get any home page. Don't expect any home page. Why? Because paths are changed now, boss. Paths are changed, right? Okay, you will get white label error page. Why? Why white label error page? Why white label? Because seasons slash means you will get home page. So right now our concentration is not on that. Okay, season slash all. Season slash all. Seasons or season? Seasons I have taken. Seasons I have taken. Right, boss? Slash all. Yeah, it's coming or not? Okay. Venkat P. Class name will be taken as the default bean idea global path. First tell me, muddy fellow. If bean ID is not given, class name is the default bean ID. Then why are you making as a global path? It becomes default bean ID, na class name, not the global path, right? If you don't want to give global path, why default global path will come? Common sense, Rababu. Yeah. Next, guys. Test slash all. It's coming. Check it out. When I give show test data working. Oh, where is previous one? Where is previous one? Acha, here I have not written SOP, it seems. Here I have not written SOP. 1 minute. Sys trace. Wait a minute. I hope it will reload automatically. Tell me. Test slash all working. Seasons slash all. Seasons slash all. It's reloading, guys. Seasons slash all. Show all is executing or not? Show all is executing or not? Now you take test slash all, guys. Test slash all. Okay. Show test data is also executing or not? Show test data is also executing or not? I want reply from you people, right? Super. Everything is clearly specified here, Rabav. Wish operation all sends request to show data method of wish message controller. Test operations all sends request to show all test data method of test controller class. Got it? Okay. This is global path or global request path. This is method path or method request path. Understanding my statement, guys? Method path or method request path. And everyone getting my point, guys? Okay. Super, boss. Next one. The request given to one handler method of one controller class can be forwarded to another method of same handler class or different handler class by using forward triplex concept. which internally uses rd.forward for forwarding request. This concept is called handler method chaining, right? Okay. Rajendra, if two methods of one handler class is having same request path, we are getting illegal state exception now, boss. I think this we already discussed in other day's class. We already completed this discussion, this point. This is repeated point, right? This is repeated point. We already seen demonstration also. Forward colon all. The request coming to this will be forwarded to this method, right? Okay, Vishay PP. Request goes to show home page one method from the from there it goes to show all method because of forward all. Because of forward colon all. I hope you remembered it, guys. Super. Okay, guys. Now listen. If a global path is there, forward colon test operation / all we have to do. If a global path is there for second controller class, then what you should do? Global path / all we have to place. Global path / all you have to place. Got it? We discussed already, boss. All these things we discussed. Tell me next one. We can perform handler method chaining using redirect colon triplex statement, which internally uses send redirection with the support of what? Response dot send redirect method. Okay, guys. Now, other day we discussed at this point in forwarding request mode of communication. Forwarding request mode of communication takes place directly from method 1 to method 2. Directly from method 1 to method 2. Got it? Send redirection mode of communication takes place from method 1 to method 2, having network round trip with browser. Having network round trip with browser. I have given diagrammatic representation. Check it out. Browser giving request 1, method 1 with /1, forward colon all, same request 1 gone there, method 2 executed, comes back. This is response. This is response. Got it, guys? So, browser gives a request 1. This is send redirection, Rama. Forwarding request. This is forwarding request. This is what? Send redirection. See, guys, browser has given request 1 to method 1. It is saying redirect colon all. Okay, first it gives response 1 to browser, having this all. Now browser freshly takes all request path, sends request to method 2. From method 2, response 2 goes to browser. From method 2, response goes to browser. Tell me here, source method and destination method uses same request and response objects, right? Here, source method uses different sets of request and response objects, and destination method uses different sets of request and response objects. Destination method uses different sets of request and response objects. Getting my point? Okay, super. Tell me, guys, here method 2 can be there either in same controller class or different controller class of same MVC application. Here method 2 can be there either in same controller class different controller class of same MVC application or different MVC application. Array, communication through browser na boss. Same MVC application or different MVC application of same server or different server belonging to same mission or different mission. Array, redirect is having more flexibility or not? Send redirection based redirection is having more flexibility or not? Why? It is not direct communication, Babu. It is communication through browser. And once control goes to browser, it can locate the destination of any technology, any location or not. Any technology, any location. Tell me, browser cannot give request to XYZ website, ABC website, any technology, any location, it can give request or not. Yeah, since your communication between handler methods is through redirection and where browser is involved before going to destination, so the destination can be there in any location of any technology. In any location of any technology. Got it, guys? Okay, guys. Now listen. What is the difference between front controller and controller or handler class? Yeah, in normal MVC, we have just controller. In Spring-based application with front controller design pattern, we have front controller, we have a normal controller class, right, boss? So, shall we see the differences, guys? Front controller, it is a servlet component or servlet filter component. It is a Java class. It is a Java class. Got it? Yeah, handler class is Java class, no? Hey, our Vishme says operations controller is a Java class or next. It is one per project or web application. One per project or web application. It is generally taken on one per module basis. Service class, controller classes will be taken on what concept, guys? One per module basis. Convinced? Contains servlet lifecycle methods like init, service, destroy, directly or indirectly. Contains user-defined methods as handler methods. Come on. Contains user-defined methods as handler methods. Got it, guys? Next one. It acts as entry and exit point for all requests and responses. For all requests and responses. It acts as entry and exit point for all requests and responses. Next. It contains request delegation logic for different URL requests. URL based URL request to send or delegate the request to 1 minute. It contains request delegation logic for different URL based requests. Different URLs based requests. Different URL based requests. Words are interchanged. Request to send or delegate the request to service or DAO classes. Handler classes contains what, guys? Delegation logic, na? Take the request from dispatcher servlet. Either directly contains business logic or delegate the request to service and DAO classes. Majority times it will delegate the request to service and DAO classes only, na? Majority times it will send the request to delay. Tell me. Will be instantiated and managed by servlet container. Will be instantiated and managed by IOC container. Identified with URL pattern like slash, which traps and takes all requests. Identified with the global path given in what? Request mapping, and the handler methods are identified with a request path again given using request mapping or triple X mapping. Again giving using what? Triple X mapping. Understanding my point. Class is identified with request mapping global path. And the handler methods are identified with what? Method paths. Method paths given in what? Request mapping or triplex mapping annotations. Got it? Entire Spring MVC designed around. Entire Spring MVC is designed around dispatcher servlet. That means it controls the entire navigation and also take care of navigation management, view management, and more. Also take care of navigation management, view management, and model management. Okay, guys. Next, handler mapping, view resolver, controller classes are helper classes for front controller component. Yes, no, boss? Helper classes for front controller component. Are you with me, guys? Definitely they are helper classes for front controller component or not? Yes, boss. Yeah. Next, G. In most of the web frameworks, including Spring MVC or Spring Boot MVC, including Spring MVC or Spring Boot MVC, the front controller servlet is predefined servlet, like dispatcher servlet. Yes, no, boss? Okay, dispatcher servlet. In any web framework based web application, in many web framework based web application, the controller or handler classes are user defined classes. User defined classes. Got it, guys? Super. Okay, guys. Right one. Passing different kinds of data or values, values from controller components to view components using controller components to view components using data rendering technique. Using data rendering techniques. Simply, literally using data rendering technique. I hope you are understanding my statement, guys. Simply using data rendering technique. Passing different kinds of data or values. Okay, guys. Data and values from controller components to view component using data rendering technique. Yeah. What are the things we generally try to pass, guys? Passing simple values, right? Passing simple values. Simple value. Already we passed it, Rama. We already passed. Passing collections and arrays. Isna boss. Passing collections and arrays. Passing model class object. model class object. Next, passing collection of model class objects. Right, guys. Understanding my statement, guys? Yeah, these are the things, boss. So shall we take one by one, boss? Passing simple values. Okay. Acha, so much kachra is there now. Lot of kachra has come. Lot of kachra has come in this application. Okay. Can I remove all unnecessary things? Because experiment on these things are gone now, boss. Okay. Get mapping, fine. Okay. Get mapping, perfect. It is showing home page. This is showing. No, 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 no. You want me to create new project? It takes time, waste of time. Okay, fine. I will create new project. Okay. It's psychological feeling. Fine, guys. Okay, I'm not going to give any storyboard, Rababu. Okay, fine. I'll create in front of you. What is there in front? Select to Spring Web. Select to Spring Web, guys. Say next, say finish. Oh, I have not given any name, huh? Then where it goes? With what name it will create, Rababu now? With what name it will create? I have not given anything. Where is that project created, guys? Where that project is created? With what name that project is created? With what name that project is created? Project Explorer, Mongo template it has taken. Huh? Okay, let it be. This one has come. Huh? Do you think this is what? This is what came. Huh? Fine, guys. Yeah, this one. Mongo template one. This one. Just know it is got created, right? Okay, fine. I think this is waste. Leave it. Okay. Spring Starter project, boss. Okay. What is this? Mongo template one is already there, na? That's why it is trying to create Mongo template one for the next project. Cool, Babu. Cool. Yeah, Spring Boot Pros 3. Spring Boot Pros 3. Okay. Uh, all data rendering options. All data rendering options. Okay. MVC boot pros 3. Yeah. Where file you select? All are normal, guys. Say next. Add web module. Say next. Say finish. Say next. Say mod. Super, guys. Say next. Say. Okay. Application dot properties, guys. Embedded server port number. I hope you settled developing these applications. Still fighting. Embedded server port number. server dot port 404. Server dot port 404. Nice, guys. After that, what next? Right click, new package. Right click, new package. Tell me, guys. com.nt.control. Go to application, view resolver configuration. View resolver configuration. Right, guys? Tell me. Spring dot MVC dot view dot prefix /a /webinf /pages spring dot MVC dot suffix dot JS. What is there, guys? Dot JS. Yeah, you can work with YML also, not a problem. Hey, don't ask those stupid questions. Does it work with YML or not? And we did already those experiments, my dear. Discussed or not? YML one is discussed or not? Okay. We are using properties file because we are comfortable with properties file, right? YML is a bit confusing, right, boss? And moreover, YML also has to be converted into what? Property file internally. You know that. YML also should be converted into property file internally. Everyone knows that, right, boss? Okay. Yeah, tell me, guys. Data rendering operations controller. Array, some meaningful name I am taking, boss. Data rendering operations controller. Okay, guys. How to make this one as controller, boss? @controller. Super, guys. How to make this one as data, guys? Now tell me. Public string, send data, map. Okay. I think everyone convinced. Most of the internet websites, company people uses model. But I hope I convinced you people map is the best one to refer binding aware model map object. I hope everyone convinced for that. Yeah, boss. Map, Rabab. Here is what? Get mapping. Get mapping. Okay, some report. Simple values to model attributes. Map dot put. Name is equal name Raja. Right, boss? Map dot put is 30. Yeah, you play simple 30, it will internally convert into wrapper 30. It will be internally converted into wrapper 30. Got it? Return logical beauty. Show underscore report. What is that, guys? Show underscore report. Cool, guys. Show underscore report. Yes. SRC main web app. Right click. New. Where is this? Folder. WebINF. Under WebINF. What is next? New folder. Pages. Here, what is there? New JSP file. What is that? Show underscore report dot JS. Say next, say finish. Okay, guys, Is EL ignored is equal to false. Is EL ignored is equal to false. Cool, guys. Is EL ignored is equal to false. Cool. After that, what next, guys? Is EL ignored is equal to false. Tell me. Okay, bold. Model attributes. Model attributes data is. Model attributes data is. Tell me, guys, what is that? At the rate model attributes data is. Can you tell me what are the model attributes? Name is. Name is. Right now, I am hard coding. In future, we will get that data dynamically. Already, we have seen simple values. Only in a rhythm, I am giving everything one by one from the scratch. Okay, guys. Name comma is. Dollar is. Super. Right? That's it. Let's have a look, guys. Right click, run on server. This, say next, remove all, finish. Here is what? A report. Report. Model attributes data is Raja 30 has come now, boss. Simple values we are able to pass now, boss. Okay, guys. Passing simple values. Passing simple values. Alright, tell me, guys, in controller class. What, guys? In controller class. Super. Right, boss. In controller class, copy this, boss. Say paste. Super. Tell me. In JSP component. What component, guys? In JSP component. Nothing but view component. In show underscore report dot JSP, which is nothing but view component. Which is nothing but view component. Got it, guys? Okay, here is this. Remaining things we don't bother. We don't bother about remaining things. Okay, guys. Name comma is. Super. Tell me here. Here. Simple value will be converted into. Here the simple value will be converted into object. Into a wrapper object. Wrapper object integer value will be converted into wrapper object integer value. Got it, my dear? Understood my statement? Super. Next, guys, what is next one? Passing collections and arrays. Passing collections and arrays. Okay. Let's see that, boss. Come to this place, comment this now, take other one. Take other one. Next one, guys. Send data map only. Put arrays and collections. Arrays, comma, collections as the model attribute values. Arrays, comma, collections as the model attribute values. Tell me, guys. Tell me, guys. Map dot put. Map dot put. I have to put arrays now, boss. Okay, fine. Okay. Tell me. Fav colors. Something grab out. Fav colors. Here. New string array. New string array. Red, green, yellow. Okay, guys. Array is added. Next. Map dot put. Map dot put. Where is this? Nicknames. Nicknames. New string array. Array. New string array. Tell me. Raja. Raz. Maharaj. Right, boss. New string array. Tell me. Map dot put. What is that, guys? Map dot put. Tell me. Phone numbers. Numbers. Oh, I'm taking array now. Sorry. Why should I take array? Every time array is already taken now, boss. Let's go for list dot off. List dot off. Raja, Raz, Maharaj. Okay. Control plus shift plus. Phone numbers, guys. Set dot off. All 9 CL, all 8 CL, all 7 CL. That's it. Control plus shift plus O. Next, guys. Map dot put. Friends. Map dot off. Okay. Map na map friends keys and values na boss. Keys and values. Okay. ID details. What details? ID details. Tell me. Aadhaar. Here Aadhaar number. Aadhaar number. Okay. Tell me next one. Aadhaar number. Next, voter ID. Voter ID number. Okay, guys. Voter ID number. Cool. All are taken now. Array is covered, list is covered, set is covered, and map is covered. Key value. Aadhaar number. Got it? Super. Go to show underscore report.jsp, guys. Okay. Model attributes data is this. Yeah. Model attributes data is this, boss. Tell me here what is there. Okay. Okay. Five colors are $5 $5 colors, right? $5 colors. Here I will put H1 open and closing so that this will come in bigger letters, right? Yeah. Tell me, guys, nicknames are what is this? Nicknames. Same, this one only you have to take. Phone numbers. Numbers are here are my what phone numbers. Next, phone numbers are here are my phone. Next one, guys, ID details are ID details are here are my ID details. ID details are here are my ID. Run on server, Tomcat 9, say next, say finish. Report. See, guys, array data is not coming properly. Why? Because toString is not implemented there. Do you think toString is properly implemented there? Not implemented there. Right, boss? Okay. But remaining collections are having toString method. That's why they are coming happily here. That's why they are coming happily here or not. Okay. Then what should I do? Then what should I do? Okay, guys. What should I do? Okay. Here, $5 colors is there. Na? On that we have to use arrays dot toString. Arrays dot toString we should use. Percentile equal to what is that? Arrays dot toString. Arrays dot toString. Arrays dot toString, boss. Yeah, only 5 colors is not working now. So what should I do now? Arrays dot toString. Request dot get attribute. Pure Java code I am writing. Request dot get attribute of 5 colors. Got it, guys? Yeah, it will convert anything into array to single string content or not. It will convert everything into single string content or not. Sir, it is not. Okay, we have to import that package. Import java.util.star. Okay, guys. Request.get attribute gives an object, but we want to convert it into array. So here, what is this string array? We want to convert that one into an array, boss. That we are converting into an array. Got it, boss? Super. We are trying to convert into an array. We imported package string array. String array, I think one more bracket is not required here. Enough it seems. Enough it seems. Why it is still giving error? No meaning. Okay, it's saying that syntax should be insert to complete that. Insert to complete that. As a whole, I should take a. I should take it as a whole. Okay, let it be. Sometimes it will do like that only. Tell me. Right click, run on server, Tomcat 9, finish. Slash report. Yeah, now they are coming now, boss. So sometimes don't worry about red marks in JSP, Ramu. Now that array is converted into string or not? That array content is now converted into string or not? But tell me, here we are seriously writing Java code now, boss. Come on. But writing Java code in JSP is a good practice? No. So when it is not a good practice, what we should do? We should think about writing everything through tags. So then we can think about JSTL tags now, boss, because expression language is not working out. So then we have to think about going for JSTL stuff in controller class. I think everyone studied about JSTL in JSP, boss. Studied or not? Time passed. Copy this, boss. Paste. Done. In controller class. In show underscore report.jsp, which is nothing but view component, which is seriously nothing but view component. Show underscore report.jsp. Copy this, guys, paste it. Got it? Okay, request.get attribute 5 colors. Yes, boss. We're importing package and other stuff. Now listen, here what is the area I should highlight? The area I should highlight here is this. Here the area I should highlight is this. Got it, my dear? Understood? Super. Okay. Now listen. Writing Java code in JSP pages is not a good practice. So use JSTL tags and EL together to avoid Java code, to avoid or minimize Java code in JSP base. To avoid or minimize Java code in JSP base. Got it, guys? Understanding my statement, boss? Writing Java code in JSP base is not good practice. So JSTL tags and EL together. So use JSTL tags and EL together. Tell me, guys, to use JSTL in our JSP pages, yeah, add JSTL dependency in pom.xml file. Add JSTL dependency in pom.xml file. Where is this pom.xml, guys? Here is my pom.xml. Okay, guys. Tell me here, what is this? Yeah, here is mvnrepository.com. Here is my JSTL, guys. Okay. Right. JSTL guys. Tell me 1.2, my dear. Copy these guys, paste it. Understanding? Right now I'm hard coding input values, Rabam. In future, in future we try to get such values dynamically from service class. Today I'm just for variety, I'm just hard coding the input values. I hope you are realizing it. Oh, I hope everyone realizing in future those values of collections, simple values, everything comes from service class, right? Okay, version not a problem. Just place it. Okay, boss. Oh, it is not coming. Huh? Yeah, this is the one thing we should go for. Yes, boss. Tell me, B. Import. Uh, what is the full form of JSTL? Super. Super. Well, Om Prakash, you are my favorite student of today's class. Shame on you, Rabam. JSP standard tag library. Import JSTL core tag library. Tag library in JSP page and use its tags. Use its tags, right, boss? And use its tags. Bapre. JSP standard tag library. Got it? Fine. Import JSTL core tag library. JSTL is having total how many tag libraries, guys? It gives how many? 5 tag libraries. Right, boss? What are those? Core for basic functionalities. Next, SQL for database connectivity. Formatting to format numbers, dates, all this stuff. XML to process XML content. And functions to manipulate string data. Functions are there to manipulate string data. Okay. Super. Show underscore report, my dear. Let's comment this, guys. I added jar. At the rate tag lib URI is equal to JSTL core lengthy URL, Rababu. Lengthy URL, that is fixed. Prefix is not fixed but recommended to take. Yeah. How Java package is identified with package name? Core tag libraries, every JSTL tag library is identified with the tag library URI, which is a fixed. Sir, why it is need of prefix? I import different tag libraries. Yes, by mentioning different URIs. By mentioning different URIs, boss. Tell me, guys, to differentiate one URI from another URI, to differentiate, suppose if two tags of two different JSP tag libraries have got same name, then we can differentiate them through prefix or not. And if two students are having same name in the classroom, we identify them through their surname or not. We differentiate them through surname, right, boss? Now listen. Model data is, this is as it is. Okay. Next. Fav colors are. Fav colors are. Close bold beer. C colon for each, guys. C colon for each. Tell me. Where? C colon for each where. Tell me. Color. In each iteration, for loop, Babu. Through tags for loop. items is equal to $5 colors. Understanding my statement, guys? Okay, guys. See, in each iteration, color points to one element of 5 colors array. 5 colors array. No Java code, nothing now. Dollar color. So it will display all the colors or not? Yes. Definitely it will display all color. Comma is only for presentation. Comma is only for presentation. Got it? Super boss. Say paste. Tell me. Nicknames are. What is the model attribute name? Nicknames. Each iteration, one name comes to name variable. I have to display that name or not. Array enhanced for loop effect. Super. Next. Next one. Okay. Phone numbers are. Phone numbers are. Here is what is that? PH. Here is what is there? Phones. PH items is equal to phones. Items is equal to phone numbers. Okay. Tell me here. Each iteration one phone number. Cool, guys? Yes, boss. Next. Tell me. ID details. Each iteration one element, right? ID. Here is what? ID details. Okay, guys. Here, ID dot key. Key is fixed, Rabab. I think so. ID dot value. ID dot value. Okay. Key will give key value. Value will give value. Got it, boss? Super. ID details. Now let's have a look now. Right click, run on server, Tomcat 9, this one. Tomcat 9, this one. Array, JSP is full of tags, na? Writing Java code is not good. No, especially non-Java programmers cannot enjoy that. Can they enjoy, guys? Can they enjoy? Voter ID key. Value is this. Voter ID Aadhaar number. Value is this. Coming or not coming, boss? Okay, little change in the presentation. Okay, after that BR, so that they'll come nicely. Okay, because each voter ID number, Aadhaar number, came na, phone numbers came, key represent key boss, value represent value. That means ID represent each element of the map collection. By that ID dot key gives key of the each element, and value gives value of the each element. Enjoyed, guys? Okay, guys. Copy this. When enhanced for loop, Ram, import JSP and use JSP tags. In show underscore report dot JS. What dot JSP? Show underscore report dot JS. Super. Say paste. Show underscore report dot JSP. One minute, something gone wrong. Okay, here's data has not come for 100%. Okay. Okay, 1 minute. Some size issues, huh? Okay. 17,000. Okay. Say paste. Four. Everyone got it, guys? Understanding my statement, guys? Come on. Yeah, enhanced for loop effect we are getting this. Enhanced for loop effect using tags. Hey, is not that much great, Babu. Are you not feeling enhanced for loop here? Enhanced for loop. Enhanced for loop using tags. Simply using tags. Got it? Fine. How to pass model class object data, how to pass collection of model class objects data, we will discuss in tomorrow's class. I think you are getting complete grip on data rendering, handler method signatures, and request paths. Only these things I discussed so far, right? Thank you, guys. Right. Array, when I have given videos, in the videos itself, notes will be there. Na? Take the screenshots, Ra Babu. Come on. Thank you.